Here we are going to further discuss about the postulates. What were the postulates of Rutherford atomic model? First, there is a central atom that is having a central part of atom which is known as nucleus. Central part of atom which is nucleus, which is positively charged and that is dense. After which we are having the second part of atom. Atom is divided into two parts: central nucleus and second is the orbit. Orbit is negatively charged due to the presence of electrons, and that is a lighter part. And much of the space between the nucleus and orbit is empty, which means that an atom is having most of its space as empty because 19,996 rays, alpha rays in Rutherford's atomic alpha scattering experiment were scattered throughout the gold foil, which means that in that condition it acted as an empty space. An empty space was present between the gold foil, due to which gold atoms, due to which the alpha rays were able to pass through the gold atoms. Accordingly, we are having central nucleus, we are having orbit, as well as there he told us that the electrons. Let me just draw it once again. Um, First of all, here we are having, what did Rutherford said? Rutherford told us that, oops, Rutherford told us that the orbit, inside the orbit, the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the orbit, just like Earth is revolving around the sun in an orbit. So that is revolving in orbit in a circular path. But what were his, uh, what were his defects? What were his shortcomings, or um, we can say weaknesses inside his model? His first weakness was that he didn't tell the energy level. He didn't tell the energy level. He didn't tell the energy level, that how as electron is continuously revolving around the nucleus, it must emit some sort of energy. But according to his theory, there was no concept of how electron is revolving. It was just describing that electron is revolving around the nucleus and that's it. But then another theory by Maxwell, which was known as electromagnetic theory, told that electron is revolving around the nucleus, due to which it is causing to emit an energy. It is causing to release an energy which is known as the energy of electron, which is being released, due to which the pathway, due to which the pathway of the orbit of electron is in spiral shape, is in a spiral shape. Oops, let me draw it again. Is in a spiral shaped in such a manner. So as you can see, the pathway should be in this manner because the energy is continuously decreasing. As it is continuously decreasing, that should be in a spiral shape in such a manner. And there would be a time when electron, after releasing its energy continuously and decreasing its energy, it will once collide with the nucleus, and the atom will be destroyed, the atom will be ended, there will be end of the life of atom. So that was his point of view, which was given by electromagnetic theory, and that objected the Rutherford atomic model because of release of energy. After which, um, nucleus. So basically, this release of energy was again described by Neil Bohr atomic model, which would be described in our upcoming class. So here, as you can see, the electron is revolving around the nucleus. It releases energy. But how does it release energy? It releases energy by virtue of attraction, force of attraction, electrostatic force of attraction between the electron and the proton. As both are opposite charges, both attract each other, so this causes to emit force of attraction. So that is how it works. And afterwards, this was a major objection. Second objection was that um, Rutherford atomic model described that it is a continuous spectrum. Now, as it is releasing energy, as it is releasing energy from its orbit, there should be a continuous spectrum of energy. There should be a continuous spectrum of energy. But later, it was found by Neil Bohr atomic model that this was not a continuous spectrum, rather, the electrons were revolving around the nucleus in a line spectrum. What does that mean? It means that the electrons were revolving in a line spectrum, due to which there was no release of energy, and the energy was moving in a straightforward manner. There was a line spectrum, due to which the electrons were not releasing energy. And that's all about today's video. I believe that all of you enjoyed the class today, and we'll meet again in another one.